Okay, so by using Claude AI, like I said before, by using Claude, so for you to work with uh, uh, creating the system.io landing page, you have to use Claude. So we're using Claude for this particular session. So I'm using Claude and ChatGPT. So later on, I'll show you why we need ChatGPT in this particular session. Yes. So we're going to give ChatGPT a prompt that it's going to use. So you may be in any industry, you may probably be in the CSC registration, digital marketing, you sell courses, you sell ebook, you know, any other uh, side that you are. Yeah. But what we're going to focus on tonight is on how you can generate the prompt. All right. So now you can generate the prompt. So let's use Facebook advert as a case study. Yes. So let me say I want to teach people how they can uh, learn Facebook advertising. So I want to design a particular landing page with system.io in that way. So I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do. So from what I'm going to build, you're going to use it to build your own tool. So you're going to watch the prompting I'm going to give ChatGPT. All right. So from there, you will to know what you do with yours too. Do you understand? So let me let me go on Chrome. So the first thing I'll do is to go on Chrome, then find a Facebook advert flyer, right? Yes, Facebook advert flyer, a Facebook advert course. That is the flyer now. So I can just come here and search for Facebook Facebook ads course. Believe you can see what I'm doing. Facebook ad course flyer. All right. Now you can see this one. All right. This is another Facebook ads, Facebook and Instagram ads course. What you learn in this course, you see. So I can just pick one of these, pick one of the flyer here. You can see this. So let me just download this. Download this image. Yes, downloaded. All right. So this flyer I just downloaded, I'll bring it to Claude AI. So let's say you are into CAC registration. You can search CAC registration, CAC registration, CAC registration course. CAC registration course. You get the flyer. You can see flyer here. CAC complete CAC registration course. You can see. So I think let me even use this particular. Let me use this particular. Let me use this particular flyer. Let me use CAC instead of using a Facebook, because I know a lot of you are already into CAC registration. So let me use CAC registration. Uh, best. Let me use this. Let me download this. So we're using this for the training sake, all right? So I'm just trying to show you how you can, do it, right? So you can see you come to this plus button here, you upload the the flyer you just downloaded. This is the flyer here. Yes. So now this is what we are going to give it a prompt. All right. So what I'm going to do here is to give you the prompt. Is that correct? Yes. So I want to build. I want to. I want to build. I want to build this. I want to build. I want to build this. I want to use this to build an system dot io landing page. I want to use this to build. I want to build. I want to use this. That's what I mean. I want to use this to build a system.io landing page. All right. So this is the prompt. Send. Here's a landing page structure based on your flyer, ready to drop into system.io page builder. Section by section. Headline, CSV registration, complete CSV registration, subheadline, step-by-step training on how to register any business or company in Nigeria. You can see hero section, CTA, register now. What you will learn, you see it now, right? You see now. Now, so let me give it a complete prompt, right? So I'll type here with the uploaded image, with the uploaded image, the uploaded image, kindly help me create create a create a landing page template. that looks exactly like the note the template you created will be uploaded and used on my free system.io platform. Let me know if you understand. If you understand what I want you to, what I want before before creating it. All right. Yes. So this is the prompt. I believe you are still following me. With the uploaded image, kindly create kindly help me create a landing page template that looks exactly like the screenshot that you uploaded. Note the template you created will be uploaded and used on my free system.io platform. Let me know if you understand what I want before creating it. All right. So let's add that particular flyer again. All right. Now you click on go. So it's thinking, okay, you say yes, I understand. You want an HTML landing page that visually replicates the flyer. Same layout, color, section, photo placement. So you can upload it as a custom page to your system.io site. One quick thing before I build it. The flyer shows August 26, 2020, August 26 to 28, 2022. Since that is outdated, what date should I put instead? Or should you want me to leave it as placeholder text and edit later? Okay, so let's add first 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 to second, first and third of August, right? 2026. First and third August 2026. See, then go. Okay, got it. I'll build a single HTML file that mirrors the flyer's layout, color, and structure so you can paste each in system.io custom HTML block. So he's still working on it. So while he's working on it, let's go to our system.io account. All right. So if you have an account with system.io yet, you can do that now. All right. Once you get into your account, let me start all over so you know how I got here. All right. Yes. So once you sign into your system.io, you come to site. You see site. Then you click on the sales funnel. You can see sales funnel right here. The second option. Click on it. Let me delete this first. Delete. Yeah, you come. It will bring it to this interface. All right. So once you're on this interface, you click on this plus button. This create. Click on create. Then you put the name of the funnel. So let me just put something random. You can just put anything deep. I'm just putting deep. Then choose your funnel goal. Is it build an audience? That is, you want to collect uh, email addresses and build your email list. Is it sell a product or a service? Is it custom? Either you want to build a custom funnel from scratch or run an evergreen webinar. Run evergreen webinar to automate your business, right? And your currency. You get that. Then your funnel domain. So that is mine right here, right? So for the sake of this training, I'm going to click on sell a product or a service. Now, since it's a course, it's a free course. So what we're going to do is to click on this run an evergreen webinar. Run evergreen webinar to automate your business, right? You can also use build an audience, but let's just go with this evergreen webinar. Then the currency you look for US currency, US, yes, US dollar. Then click on save. Whoa. You have exceeded multiple limits on your current plan. Upgrade your plan to get more resources. Okay. Okay. So once I've created a funnel, you click on the funnel. So you click on this dip. It will bring it to opt-in page, thank you page, and the last page, that is the inactive page. So we're not working with that right now. So let's just go back to this opt-in page, right? So look for a particular page here. Let me look for a particular page. Let me use this. Edit page. So let me get this deleted. That's what I'm doing. You delete everything here that you don't need. We don't need this. So we are getting them deleted. I believe you can see what I'm doing. Get them deleted. I'm getting them deleted. Okay. So let's go back to this Claude. Okay, it's here. Let's get it open. Okay, you can see. So this is how it's going to look like. This is how the landing page is going to look like. Can you see? Can you see? Complete CSC registration, complete CSC training course. A step-by-step training on how to register any business or company in Nigeria. Course content. How to search for any business in Nigeria. How to create an account on CSC. How to register a business name. How to register limited liability company. How to apply for a TIN. Then you see the bonus. How to resolve queries successfully. How to earn 200K from this skill. Mentorship and lifetime access to me. Register now. You see. So amount 2,000 naira. First 20 people. Early, you can see. You can see. You can see. So let me. Yes. Somebody wants to say something. Somebody wants to say something. Okay. Now I want this particular landing page. I want it to have where people can uh, send their name, their email address, and their phone number. All right. I want it that way, because what I'm trying to do is once somebody comes to this particular name page, they should send their name, their email address, and their phone number. So once they send their name and their phone number, the the next button they should see should be a button that will take them to a WhatsApp group, right? So that is what I'm going to do right now. So let me give ChatGPT a prompt. Yes, let me give it a prompt we can use for that. All right, give me 1 minute. I want I want this landing page. I want this landing page to have. I want this landing page to have. Yeah, sure. I want this landing page to have form, which is Sorry for the dog. Name, phone number, email address. The this form this form should come before before the register register button. So that means once somebody uh, put their name, their phone number, and their email address, they'll click on register. So once they click on the register, it will take them to the WhatsApp group. Do you understand? So if this form should come before this form should come before the register button. So enter go is processing. Still working on it. I have limited credit on this uh Claude AI. You know, just a new account that I just opened. I just pray it's gonna be able to take us through this. Okay, let's see. Okay, register for the training. Fill in your details below to secure your spot. Full name, phone number, email address. You see. So you can see there's two register now here. There's one here. There's one here. So I just want the register to be just one. And this this payment, I really don't want it. I really don't want this. Okay, please let me go through this again. This is not moving the way I want it. Amount, from this amount, I don't want it. So I'm gonna clear this off. Yeah, we don't want it. So so I want this register for this training. Register for the training should be right after this bonus. Then after the bonus should be the form. So from the form, the next thing we should see is just register now. So from this register now, the next thing we now see is this ready to register your business the right way. Spot are limited, early registration, get the lowest price. Right? So let me get the prompts again. Remove this. Remove this from the landing page. remove this from the landing page. I just want, okay, go. Still working on it. Correct. Okay, now you can if you can see this very well, you see that we have three register now button. Look, this one, this two, this three. I just I want one. I want just one register now. Register now. Register now button in the landing page. Just want one register now button, the landing page, and it should come after. I want I want just one register now button, and it should come after the form. It should come after the form. Is that true? Yes. So after the form, cool. So then I'm just praying that this credit did not go exhausted. So good to get this done. Okay, is here. Let's view. This should be the last. Correct. Yes. You see it now. So this is what we've done, right? Complete this training course, a step-by-step training how to register any business or company in Nigeria. Then this is the course content. You can see where to register your business the right way. You see, so with this, we have gotten the prompt. So this here, this this HTML code, that's what we're going to input into system.io, right? So it has come to the point I really like, you know, this, this is what I really want. Register to register your business the right way. Sport unlimited, registration, get the lowest level, register for the training. So they put their name, their phone number, and their email address, right? So this is what we have here. So once they click this register now button, it will take them to WhatsApp group. All right. Yes. So what we're going to do right here is, you see these three dots right here at this top, these three dots here. I believe you can see it. You click on it, then you copy this uh, code right here. So this is actually a code. You can see. This is actually a code. You can see it now. So it's a code. So you copy it. You copy, right? You copy is very, very important. And once you copy, you go back to your system.io. All right. So most times, uh, doing this on phone, it may not work. Yes, let me put it that way. Doing this on phone, I mean, yes, doing it on phone most times may not work. All right. So let me try doing this with system. All right. Because you can see drag and drop your first element here. You see. So I'm going to first of all use my phone. Then if it's going to work on the phone, it means that you don't have any restriction. I remember doing it the other time. I was trying to use phone, but it didn't work through. So that is why I'm saying that you don't work on the phone. Let me just try it one more time to see if it's gonna work. Right? Let me do that. Okay. So drag and drop your first element here. You see this see this element here. You go down to raw HTML. I believe you can see this raw HTML down here. Yeah. You click on it. Yes. That's what I'm talking about right now. You can see. So this will not it will not really work uh, for you if you're using phone. So the best way to do this is with a system. So if you're using your system, to be really, really easy for you. All right. So um I'm having a low uh system right now. So what we're gonna do is in tomorrow's session, I'm going to show you how you can do that with your laptop, right? So I don't want us to stay long on this. So tomorrow by 8, I know tomorrow is not, I know that tomorrow is not our uh, class, but if the link can be generated for me, I can just come on the class and it can just be me alone. If some of you may be uh, a bit busy for tomorrow, so I may just be in the class alone and I'll show you these things. All right. So the host, I don't know if you're hearing me. The host, can you hear me? Host, host, can you hear me? The host. Hello? Yes, I'm calling on the group. It seems you're not hearing me. Yes. Okay, let me just drop it here. So I don't know if we can have this session tomorrow. Yes. So I can finalize. Yes, the time is already up. Yes, I was even waiting to remind you that the class went by 10:50. Yes, yes, yes. So tomorrow you can just create the link for me tomorrow. I'll do everything straight up. So if some people will not be able to join tomorrow, it's still fine. But let's use that so that yes, yes, yes. Thank you. All right. Good night. Okay. Thank you very much, and I'll see you tomorrow.
All right. Good night, sir.